Hey everybody, Paula here. So today I want to show all you Mac users how to download eZmax on your computer so that you could start using it and working with it, all right? So here we go. All you need to do is go to our website, eZmax.ca, and then once you're on the website, you will see a download button that you just need to click. And then you do need to scroll down a bit in order to see your options. So we see here options for your computers, you will see the Windows, and you will see the Mac. This is what we're focusing on today. You do need to have a minimum operating system of 10.11 or El Capitan in order to make sure that eZmax works well for you. Otherwise, you're going to run into glitches, problems that, of course, we want to avoid. So please, if you have anything under 10.11, make sure to upgrade so that you're good to go. All right. Once that's done, you're able to download. So let's go ahead and do that by clicking on the download option, and then you'll see the download will appear on the upper right hand corner. You click there and then you just answer the questions, continue, then you'll have to install, enter the password to authorize your computer to install that application, and then it'll be done and you could just hit close. You'll go into your applications, you will find the eZmax application and you click on it. This will take you into your eZmax authentication page where you will be able to enter your credentials, so the username, the password, and the client code. All this information was provided to you by your brokerage. If you don't have it, you lost it, something is blocked, something doesn't work, reach out to them right away. They'll be able to give you the information once again, and then you'll be able to access eZmax and start working with it. So the one thing that may happen, depending on the brokerage that you work for, once you've entered your credentials, you may get a message indicating that your computer needs to be authorized. Now, this is a security feature that some of the brokerages turned on. All you need to do is call your brokerage. They will give you that access, and then you'll be good to go. All right, so you're all set to start working in eZmax. Use it well and have a great day. Take care. Bye.